Alright, so um, here it is. Here's the unit taken apart, and you may notice all these little kind of little pieces of plastic here. What I ended up doing was cleaning the unit, so I just cleaned it up a bit just to take all the little grime and all the little kind of dust off of it. In doing so, little plastic pieces were falling off. So, as you may remember, when I took it out of the dashboard, this piece totally broke off, which was supposed to come over here and be part of this piece. So what I'm going to do is, before I go any further, I am going to crazy glue some of the plastic pieces together. So I'm going to do that, and then go from there. There are a few things that I want to do with this unit. I want to change, first off, I want to change the bulbs to LED bulbs. And the second thing is I want to fix this knob issue. So first things first, I'm going to glue the thing together and see how that looks. Let's get this out of the way here. Let's get this super gel open. And I'm just going to use one. Alright. And it's done, it's done. And put a little bit of gel here. Let's see here. Alright, and now set it. There we go. I'm going to put a little bit more gel right in here. Alright. There we go. This one already set really well. So there's that piece. And now this piece actually attaches in here. It's going to be a little tricky to get this in here, but I think it's important. First, let me just stick it in here and see how it fits. So I think that's how it fits in there. I think what I'm going to do is maybe drop a dot in there and then hope that the glue, the gel, kind of goes down in there. Just a little bit, just a wee bit. And now finally, I'm gonna set this going to set this right in here like this. So, I'm going to put a little gel here. I don't know if I'm going to need any here, but I'm going to set it all up and down. Okay, and then some along this edge. The nice beautiful smell of crazy glue. Alright, now I'm going to set this here and just set that nice, let that stick for a little bit. I'm going to add some more gel in a second. Just want to make sure it sticks. Alright, so it looks like it's sticking. And I'm going to add some gel in some of these holes here. I don't want to put too much gel in the front because the plate is going to go in the front. So I'm going to set some in the back here. I'm going to move these wires. So I'm setting it in here. Lots of gel. But like I said, this thing is probably like a single-use applicator. So here's what it looks like so far. There we go, it looks pretty straight there, so I'm just going to keep adding a little bit of gel in the back.